Hello everyone, welcome to part 40 of advanced ecom series in Laravel 7. And in last video you have seen that we able to create the product attributes module, we able to add the data with the help of seeding as well, and this table we have created with the help of migration. Okay, and you are very much clear about that why we are working on product attributes. Okay, so once again I will tell you in brief that after products module, like see, we have done section module, categories, subcategories and products, and after products module we want to add the product attributes, because every product can have the multiple attributes, multiple sizes. Okay, like casual t-shirt, like blue casual t-shirt can have three sizes: small, medium and large, and they can have the different prices. Small can have 1200, 1300 and 1400 respectively, and they can have the stock as well, different stock. Okay, and we named it like SKU, stock keeping unit, different SKU for all these sizes to identify them. Okay, so up till this thing I hope this is clear. And now in this video we are going to add here add attribute. We are going to work on add attribute page, like we have created this one, add product page, and now we are going to add the attribute for every product, like this one, blue casual t-shirt. Now we want to add its attributes, we want to add the sizes for this product. See, we have not added any size so far for this product. We want to add small, medium, large, XL, means these kind of sizes we want to add this product. And also we want to see that how much size is having how much stock, and what is the price of that size, and what is the SKU of that size. Okay, so for that we are going to make the separate page. We are going to add the add link here add. Okay, and also I'm going to change the these icons in this video. Okay, right now I'm going to change these icons. I'm going to use the font F some icon that will look good. Okay, so separate page will open where we are going to manage the product attributes. Okay, so let's start. And first of all I'm going to open this page, that is the products. Okay, products dot blade.php file. Okay, so here I go down, and here I will add one link here, and like this, add link. Okay, so add, here I will add attributes. I want to add attributes, so I can do like this, add attributes link, but I will also use the font F some icons. Okay, I can open website fontfsome.com. Okay, and from here I can get some icons, some good icons. Okay, search icon, add icon. I want to search for the add icon, and from this number of icons, C plus. Okay, so I am going to copy this icon and see here. Okay, it's available here. I'm going to copy this one. This is the code. Okay, so I'm going to place in place of add, and this one is not required, and we can do like this. Okay, so let us see that what will come here. Okay, so let us see that it actually appears or not. So it appears, you can see that it is appearing here. Okay, and I'm just copy paste this icon, and here in place of edit I can try here edit itself. Okay, like this. And in case of delete I can also try, but first I will try. See, the edit icon has also come, and in place of delete I can try another icon here. In place of delete I can see that if it is available like this, not available. So there is one more, can try trash. Okay, otherwise you can search for F some icon, not all will work. Okay, so see here, all three icons we have updated, plus. Okay, for adding the new attributes, edit for editing the product, and for deleting the product. Okay, so now it looks good. And one more thing we can do here, we can add here titles. Okay, so title will help us uh, to know that what this icon will do. Okay, add attributes. Okay, like this, add attributes. You can add it like this, add edit attributes as well, or update attributes as well. Okay, so here edit product, and last one is the delete product. Okay, now it is more clear. You can refresh and you can see here it must come add attribute here. Here it is not coming. On another browser it must come here. Okay, and okay, let me open this one in Chrome. Okay, I think Safari is not showing. Some kind of title must come here. Why it is not showing? It must show some kind of title. Okay, we can check in Chrome as well. Okay, so login and check in Chrome, and yeah, see here, now it is coming. See, edit product. Okay, it is coming here. If you will take the mouse over edit icon, it will come edit product. If you will take the mouse over add edit attribute, then this one will come. Okay, you can will display like this. Okay, so whenever you will move and hold it, then it comes, it appears. Okay, so like this one. Okay, I hope that this one will come here in Safari as well. You need to hold it for few seconds, then it will come add edit attribute. Okay, so it is coming in Safari as well. Okay, so now after clicking on this one, we will reach that add attribute page, but I need to create the route for this one. So I'm going to create the route. Okay, I will open web.php file, and here after products, now we are going to start working on attributes. So attributes route we are going to create. Okay, so let me create one route for attribute. Okay, so we will use match here because we require both here as well, get and post, and I'm going to add both get and post like this. So okay, fine. Okay, get post. So now so yeah, I am going to already given the URL there, attributes, and here I am going to give products controller, and in that our function we are going to create add attributes function we are going to create. Okay, so this one. Okay, so now I'm going to create this add attributes function in products controller. I'm going to open in products controller. Okay, so and here I will come down and will add here at last public function add attributes. Okay, and yeah, our ID is coming up there. Okay, so here we will also pass the ID as well. ID is required as well, and we are passing this ID. You can see that we are passing this ID there. Where it is? Yeah, here. Sorry. Yeah, add edit attributes. Here we are also passing the ID in the same way like we are passing in edit product, add edit product. Okay, so here we are also passing the that ID of the product. Okay, and this one is the edit product. This is the, you already know that this is common for both add and edit. Okay, and we are passing ID here, so it means that it will work for edit. Okay, so now come up here, and here we are going to get the $ID. We'll get the $ID here, and yeah, so $ID will be always there in this case. So here $ID will be there, and now from $ID we are going to fetch the product details. So because we want to show the main product there, main product details like product name, code, and image there in product attribute page as well. Okay, so here, So our structure will be look like this, first we are going to show some details. Okay, uh, first we are going to show some details like product name. I will show product color, product color name, and product code. These three things along with product image. In product attribute page we are going to show these three things along with the form. Okay, form will come uh, four boxes will come. I will show you four boxes will come for these things. Four boxes will come for size, price, stock, and SKU. Okay, and after that four boxes will come, 1 2 3 4. Okay, with the plus icon at the here plus icon and minus icon. Okay, plus for adding multiple. I am going to click on plus and multiple items will open, means multiple fields will open. You just need to add multiple, you can add multiple attributes at the same time. Okay, you are going to learn this thing. So here where we are. Okay, so product data. So product data I want to fetch once again in the same way like we have done earlier. So we can simply get product, and simple enough for getting the all data we can get this one. We can get the complete data here. Okay, so after getting the data, we will first debug that data is coming fine or not. Okay, this is the way we use to debug our code all the time. Product to okay, like this. Okay, so I'm going to check first. I'm going to open that page here plus, and see here the complete product details are coming for the product ID 1. Okay, so we can get the complete details and we can return these details to our add attribute blade file that we are going to create now. Return view admin, inside admin products, and add attributes. Okay, so we are going to pass all product data. Fine. So this one we can comment. So we are passing data, but this file we are going to create now under ecom, our project resources. Where is our resources folder? Views, admin, products, and here we are going to create. Yeah, if you are in Windows, you can simply right click and you can create your file. Okay, and we are in Mac, we can create like this. Okay, this is the process of Mac. You just simply need to create your file in your folder like this, add underscore attributes dot blade dot php file. This is the file that you need to create. Okay, inside your products folder. Okay, so here we go, and this file I'm going to open. This is the file. Okay, so I will just copy paste the complete add edit product file. It will help us. I will copy paste so that we can get the complete design, admin design, along with the form structure and all the code. Okay, so here we are going to make the changes. Products attributes. Okay, attributes, this, and this is product attributes. So here we are going to show our product attributes. Fine here. So we will just keep the required data, and all other data we are going to delete from this form. Okay, so all unnecessary data we are going to delete, and we will just keep product code, product name, okay, and product color. Okay, and nothing else. Okay, so these three things we are going to keep. code product name. Okay, and rest we are going to delete. And also we are going to keep the image as well. Okay, that also we are going to keep the image. And from image we are going to remove all unnecessary data. We will just keep the image like this. Okay, so I'm going to check now. I'm going to refresh. So undefined variable is coming. Okay, we will also pass the title. $title is equal to here product attributes. This okay. So this one we will also pass along with the product data. And this one is not required. We will remove all unwanted code. Okay, so you can see now that we are just displaying, but here we don't require these fields. We just require the information of product. Okay, so we can do it like this. Product name, we can do like this. Product name like this one. Product code like code, and this one is also not required. And product color, also this. Okay, so now it seems to be fine. This one is not required though. Okay, so we can also remove this one. Label is not required here, and we can increase the width for the image as well. And also some kind of settings you need to do at your end so that the page will look good. Okay, so that there will be some kind of formatting. Okay, so now it looks better. Okay, so also this one is not required. Top. Yeah. So now we can continue. See that much information we are showing, so that we will come to know that we are going to add the attributes for this product, that is the blue casual t-shirt. Okay, we are going to add the attribute for this product. Okay, so now we will add the form attribute form. Okay, so for that we are going to search in Google for the required script. Okay, otherwise you can create your own jQuery script as well if you have time. Otherwise we can get this script easily from Google. Few keyword we will search here. Okay, so we can close this phone Samsung. Okay, here we can search in Google like some keyword like add, remove fields dynamically in jQuery. Okay, this one. So this is the website. Okay, earlier also in basic series we have used this website for creating the dynamic fields. It comes at the top of Google search, so we can take help from this website. Okay, it has really good code. They can provide a good code to us. Okay, so this is the script. Okay, so this is the script and this is the code that we want to merge in our website. So we are going to copy this ready function script. We will just copy this one inner part and we're going to paste this one in our admin script file. Okay, you can come at the top bottom, so here you can copy this script. Okay, so here you can comment as well. You can comment here products attribute add remove script. Okay, so this is the script that we are going to use. So after using this one, we are going to copy the HTML as well and we'll paste this HTML here somewhere. We are going to paste this HTML. Okay, so we require one more div like this. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste here first, then we'll paste this one instead of this image. I'm going to paste it this one. Okay, so fine. So here add field. So here I'm going to use, instead of image I'm going to use add. You to see here script works or not. Here you can see the add field has come up, so it is adding another column. Okay, and admin script we just need to remove this remove icon and we can just add remove here. Okay, so now we can check once again, and now you can add the multiple. Okay, so you can also remove, add and remove. Okay, so this kind of script we want and we have got. Okay, so now we will add multiple here. Okay, so that is our task. We can add multiple like the first one site, then SKU, then price, and then stock. Okay, so for that I am going to add the multiple. First I'm going to add here instead of this one. I'm going to use that SKU. Okay, SKU or site. Okay, site this, and here we are going to add the placeholder for this one as well. Placeholder site, and value is nothing, and its input is ID is site. Okay, and its name we are going to pick multiple, so I'm going to add array here. Okay, so in the same way I'm going to add for SKU, stock, and price. Okay, so 4 more are required. Now I will add SKU, and after SKU I am going to add I'm going to add price. Okay, so price we are going to change. Price, and after price I'm going to add here stock. Okay, so here I'm going to add stock like this. So now I'm going to check like this site SKU, price and stock are coming up, and but not in one row. So we are going to check once. We can give the style as well. Style width 2 pixel. Less size. Okay, so we can give it like this. Now all four are coming up fine. Okay, you can see. Okay, we will also do this in jQuery. Okay, now it seems to be fine. Yeah, okay, that means space is also fine. And now we will do this thing in our jQuery script here. Okay, so here also we are going to update these fields in the same way, and here we are going to make it like first one is this site, so we are going to make it like this site. Okay, so style also we are going to add. Okay, so this value is not required, that we can move, and more we can add here. One, two, three. Okay, so first site, after site we are going to add SKU. After SKU we are going to add price, and after price we are going to add stock. Okay, so now we are going to check. Okay, so now we are going to check here, and you can see the multiple are coming up here. Okay, that is fine, but we also require some space here, and space we can add some here we are going to add div. Yeah, so we are going to add here a div style, and we will give some margin. Okay, margin top we can give 10 pixel, and also margin we are going to give at left margin we are going to give like 2 pixel. Now we can check once again, and now we are going to try. Still there is no space. Okay, so for that we can check. Okay, so here also we can do one thing here, and we can try BSP. Okay, this one is fine. Okay, now we just need margin, some margin, and too much margin here. Okay, no issue. We can add one more div here like this. Yeah, I done the job. Okay, so we can remove this one, and height we can add the height, and this height we can also add here. Can try if it will work. No, that is fine. Okay, so after this one we are going to add an BSP. Now we are going to check. Yeah, it looks better, you can see, but remove button is coming up here. Okay, that we are going to see now. Okay, so we can check up this page as well, and the rest everything seems to be fine. Okay, so here we can check out delete this same thing. Now it looks perfect. Okay, you can see that you can add multiple, and one more thing you can add here, you can add the placeholder for all in the same way. Okay, so placeholder is also required. Type test, and here you can add the placeholder, like placeholder is site first copy for all. Then we are going to change. This one is left. Escape. Now we are going to check. Okay, so now you can see, now it looks fine. You can add multiple items together. Okay, and you can also delete. Okay, so now you can add multiple items, and after adding it will reach to your form. Okay, here, so we are going to update our add attributes function now. Okay, to get the required data from the form. Okay, so let's update here. I am going to use now request $request. It is okay for getting the data from the form, and I can get the data like this here. If $request method post, then $data $request out, and I'm going to print this one. Okay, so let's try adding some data here, like size of this product code. This product name is, suppose you are going to add the small size, and you are going to name it like SKU name is like S, like this BT01S. Okay, and its price is 1000 and its stock is 10. Okay, so the next one is medium. Okay, so the now it's medium, we're going to add medium. Okay, so it SKU is like B2001 one medium like this. Okay, so its price post 1100 now. Okay, and stock is 20. Okay, one more I am going to add, and now it is like large. Okay, so now again BT01, now this time large like this. Okay, so its price is 1200 INR. Okay, now stock again 10. Okay, so these are called the product attributes. Okay, so we have the several sizes of one product that we can add like this. Now I'm going to click on submit, so I can add all the attributes at once of the product. Okay, so now I will click on submit, and you can see some validation. We need to here do one thing. We need to update our form. We forgot to update our form that we have copied from there. So I'm going to remove this condition and attribute form. Here I'm going to do like attribute form. One last thing we forgot to do here, attribute form like this, and this one is not required. And here I am going to make action will be like URL we already know that URL is admin add attributes and our ID, our product ID. Okay, that we need to specify for our form. Okay, so our ID we are passing $product data ID. Okay, so this one I can copy, and here I will just require ID. Okay, so now we can try once again. Okay, so I need to add once again, but first of all I will add it like this, some dummy data like this, because otherwise see here, so that's why so we need to check why the issue is coming. Yeah, slash is not there. Okay, now I will check once again. Okay, so we'll add like this. First of all we'll add like this. Now the data is coming. You can see the data is coming now in array. Okay, so now this time we will add the correct data once again. Small I will open 3 small B2001 small. Okay, and price is 1000 and stock is 10, and then after that medium and BT01 medium. Where is the medium? And we'll add medium here. Then price is 1100, stock you can see 20, and the now the size is like large, BT01 large. Okay, so now 1200. Okay, so now like this. Okay, so now the sizes are done. Now I'm going to submit. Here you can see we able to get all the sizes in array, sizes, SKU, price, stock, everything in array we have got. Okay, so in next video we are going to submit this data in our product attributes form dynamically from our product attribute form. Okay, in last video we have added this data from seeding, but now we will add from the form itself. Okay, so that the admin can add anytime. So this one we will continue in next video, and if you have any queries you can surely contact me in video description, and do subscribe my channel Stack Developers, and you can also contact me in Facebook. Okay, you know my ID, that is the Amit G100, AMIT G100. Okay, and you can also join this Stack Developers group. Okay, so that my other friends can also answer your queries. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.